In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect your Replit project to GitHub. By the end, your Replit workspace will be linked to your GitHub account so you can track changes, collaborate confidently, and keep your code backed up in a proper repository. First, open your browser and head to the Replit homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your work. From there, open the specific project you want to connect. It's important to be inside the correct project, since the connection you're about to make will apply to the project that's currently open. Once your project loads, look toward the top of the editor for the Tools and Files menu. Click it to open up Replit's built-in tools. Replit has a lot of utilities, so to get right where we need to go, use the search bar in that panel and type the word Git. This narrows the list down to the version control tools. Select Git from the results. That opens the Git panel inside your project, which is where you'll manage commits and syncs once everything is connected. Before we can use it with GitHub, we need to adjust a quick setting. In the Git panel, click on Settings. This is typically shown with a gear icon and gives you access to integration options. Inside Settings, find the GitHub section. This is the connection point between Replit and your GitHub account. When you're ready, click Sign In. Replit will open a secure GitHub window asking you to authenticate. If you're not already logged in to GitHub, enter your account credentials there. If you are logged in, you'll go straight to the authorization page. GitHub will now ask you to grant permissions so Replit can interact with your repositories. Review the prompt, then approve the authorization. This allows Replit to read your repositories and push commits on your behalf, which is essential for syncing code changes. If you don't see the prompt, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. Also, if you have multiple GitHub accounts, make sure you're authorizing the correct one for this project. Once authorization is complete, your Replit project is connected to GitHub, and you're all set to manage version control right from the Replit interface. From here, you can commit with clear messages, keep your changes organized, and collaborate more smoothly, knowing everything is synced to your GitHub account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.